Dr. Buddy Creech's interest in vaccines started early in his medical career when his father died from an infection.
My dad passed away from an infection of his heart valve caused by Group B strep.
That loss inspired him to devote his life to vaccine research. Today, Dr. Creech is the director of the Vanderbilt Vaccine Research Program.
Nothing has improved human health more than vaccines. I want to be able to prevent folks from dying. I want to be able to prevent children from being in the hospital. And so that's why we do what we do.
From identifying a germ to clinical vaccine trials with adults and children, this Vanderbilt lab is involved in several important stages of getting a vaccine to market. It's work that often takes more than a decade to complete, with several different phases.
We think about four big buckets as we talk about vaccine development. We ask the question, does it prevent the infection we're trying to prevent? Does it make the immune response we want to? And is it safe? No vaccine is ever licensed until we know all of those things.
They're currently working on a flu vaccine delivered to children as a nasal spray instead of a shot, as well as testing a vaccine for enterovirus, which causes polio-like symptoms in children. However, before vaccine trials are performed on children, they are first tested using computer modeling, small animals, and adults.
We move it into children only after we know that it's safe in those other groups. I think that's an important piece for parents to remember as they might consider clinical trials, is that we never put things into clinical trials until we're confident that they're going to be safe.
Childhood vaccines is a hot topic. The number of parents choosing not to vaccinate their children has gone up in Tennessee, though it remains relatively small. Dr. Creech says he's happy to address these concerns with parents.
We would like to think that with enough conversation, we can address those common questions about thimerosal, aluminum, how vaccines are tested, whether there's a link to autism, all of these things that people see in a variety of platforms. We're uniquely trained to be able to address those, and we love to have those conversations.